Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can see TikTok videos from other country that is different from your own country. So guys, want to see TikTok videos from other countries that is different from your own? Make sure you watch to the end of this video, and also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, the first step that you have to take is to tap on your TikTok app to open it. So guys, once your TikTok app opens, the first step that you need to take is to tap on your TikTok profile. You can see it there at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. The second step that you need to take now is to tap on the three horizontal bar at the top right corner. You tap on it. Then you tap on settings and privacy. Tap on it. So guys, under the settings and privacy, we have 5 sections: the account section, the content and display section. We also have the catch and cellular section. We also have the support and about section, and also the login section. Where you're going to find the option that will enable you to watch TikTok videos from other countries is under the content and display. So under the content and display section, we have the language. You can see it over there. Tap on it. So guys, what you have to do is to tap on the second option, which is preferred languages. First of all, let's read what is written there. It says, this will help us to customize your viewing experience. That means that the language that you actually choose here will determine the kind of videos that TikTok will customize to you. So if you're from Nigeria and you choose Chinese language, TikTok will customize and bring to you TikTok videos coming from China. Or maybe you're from Nigeria and you go ahead to choose French language, the videos that TikTok will recommend to you are videos coming from France. So guys, let's tap on it to see what I'm talking about. Tap on it. So guys, you can see what is written there. Select the languages you understand. We will use this to improve your experience. So guys, you can see here we have so many languages. We have Espanol, which is Spain. We have Francia, which is France. We also have Indonesia. We have Turkey. We have so many languages here. We have Italiano, which is Italy. If you want to see videos coming from Italy, all you have to do is to choose Italiano language and you will get videos coming from Italy. You can see the Netherlands. You can see the Portuguese. If you want to get videos, TikTok videos coming from Portugal, you choose Portuguese. You can see China, you can see Arabic, so many languages that are actually here. So guys, if you want to see TikTok videos from other countries, all you have to do is to choose the language of that particular country. So guys, I believe if you got value from this, if you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in the next upload. Bye bye, peace.